Hello friends, welcome back in my channel Read and Learn. A for ant. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for quail. R for rose. S for sun. T for telephone. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel.